Chapter 6. Up Above the Sky. Moonlight. Why is the moonlight not hot, father? Malu asked. The sun is a star that gives out heat and light of its own. But the moon can do that. It only reflects the sunlight that falls on it, father said. Stars. Stars are heavenly bodies that shine in the sky. The sun is a star. Planet and satellite. Planets are heavenly bodies in the sky that revolve around the sun along a definite path. The Earth is a planet. The satellites are heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets. The moon is a satellite of the Earth. Rotation of the Earth. Earth rotates on its axis, and the part of the Earth on which sunlight falls experiences day, and the other part experiences night. The spinning of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation. It takes 24 hours for the Earth to complete one rotation. This is one day. Revolution of the Earth. The Earth also revolves around the Sun, in addition to its rotation. The movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. The Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to move around the Sun once. This is 1 year. New Moon Day. The moon is not seen at all when the part of the moon that does not get sunlight faces the earth. This day is called New Moon Day, Amavasi or Kartavavu. Full Moon Day. When the sun, the earth, and the moon are in a straight line, the part of the moon where sunlight falls faces the earth. The day on which the illuminated part of the moon is fully visible from the earth is called full moon day, Paurnami or Veluttavavu. Observe the moon from the new moon day to the full moon day and draw the picture of the moon you see on each night and prepare a chart of this. Examine the completed table and note down your findings. Now compare the chart you have drawn with the picture given below with respect to the position and shape of the moon. How many days are there between one full moon day and the next one? How many days are there between one new moon day and the next full moon day? Towards the moon. The moon is full of rocks, pits, and hills. Neil Armstrong, the American astronaut, was the first man to land on the moon. Later, several people went to the moon and brought soil and rocks from there. Chandrayaan. India sent a spacecraft called Chandrayaan 1 to the moon. It went around the moon and provided us with valuable information. The success of Chandrayaan is indeed a matter of pride for all Indians. Artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are satellites made by man and sent to the space for various purposes. These satellites are sent to the outer space with the help of rockets. Aryabhatta, EduSat, and InSat are some of the artificial satellites launched by India. What are the uses of artificial satellites? Communication, weather forecast, transportation. Thank you.